Psalm 34 of David when he pretended to be a madman before Abimelech, who banished him so that he left. Verse 1. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise will always be in my mouth. 2. Praise the Lord. Let the suffering listen and rejoice. 3. Magnify the Lord with me. Together, let us lift his name up high. 4. I sought the Lord and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. 5. Those who look to God will shine. Their faces are never ashamed. 6. This suffering person cried out. The Lord listened and saved him from every trouble. 7. On every side, the Lord's messenger protects those who honor God, and he delivers them. 8. Taste and see how good the Lord is. The one who takes refuge in him is truly happy. 9. You who are the Lord's holy ones, honor him, because those who honor him don't lack a thing. 10. Even strong young lions go without and get hungry, but those who seek the Lord lack no good thing. 11. Come, children, listen to me. Let me teach you how to honor the Lord. 12. Do you love life? Do you relish the chance to enjoy good things? 13. Then you must keep your tongue from evil and your lips from speaking lies. 14. Turn away from evil. Do good. Seek peace and go after it. 15. The Lord's eyes watch the righteous. His ears listen to their cries for help. But the Lord's face is set against those who do evil, to eliminate even the memory of them from the earth. 17. When the righteous cry out, the Lord listens. He delivers them from all their troubles. 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He saves those whose spirits are crushed. 19. The righteous have many problems, but the Lord delivers them from every one. 20. He protects all their bones. Not even one will be broken. 21. But just one problem will kill the wicked, and those who hate the righteous will be held responsible. 22. The Lord saves his servants' lives. All those who take refuge in him won't be held responsible for anything.